Welcome back to the end of week 7 of the Idiot Trading Challenge. I'm here once again with Matt. Matt, how are you doing?
Yeah, very well, thank you. In the middle of a huge thunderstorm at the moment, so that'll be interesting to see how it plays out during this chat.
Yeah, just a bit, tiny little behind the scenes for you guys. Normally we record these on Sunday, but due to a few things going on, we're doing this on Friday, which, with all of everything that we have going on, has meant we're doing it about 9 o'clock at night. So we have a few little odd setups going on, as Matt's just explained. He has the thunderstorm going on. I've got a phone light as my light coming through here because the lighting's a bit off. Don't have some of the full equipment at the minute. But yeah, how's your trading week?
Busier, a lot busier.
Busier, yeah.
Yeah, I think last week I was busy within work and personally, and just didn't really do much on a trading point of view last time around. But this week,
Been a bit,
there's been a lot of movement. That
yeah.
that portfolio chart that we have, the one that just tracks your portfolio. If I go on the last week, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, lots of movement.
Lots of movements. Oh.
Yeah, I haven't recorded my final update yet. I'm gonna do that shortly.
Yeah.
Because the American markets are still open, I believe. Oh, they might have closed actually. I think they've closed. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do it after this. So, yeah. What about yourself? Busy?
Yeah, it's been different this week. I've tried.
Every week's different with you.
Every week's different. Actually, I'm just trying new stuff still. I mean, you wouldn't think well, this is the end of week 7, but it'd be 8 weeks of doing so in total.
Yeah, still the Idiot Trading Challenge.
Still the Idiot Trading Challenge. This right. So it's the Idiot Trading Challenge because, well, one of us, which if you've been following along, is a bit of an idiot when it comes to this. But I'm trying things and I'm showing people what not to do. Maybe we'll see. No, there's definitely been a few up and downs with you. I'm not sure how much you have in the UK market, but the UK market has definitely been a ride this week. I've had, I think at one point, did I have 3 different shares that were up by £5-ish each?
Wow.
I think, if I'm remembering that correctly.
You're getting me
Yeah,
scared.
it's been very, very up and down. But
Okay.
yeah, I think well, people, if they've just come from the previous episode, they'll know where we are, what's going to happen. We still don't really know. What I still like about this as well is you still don't know what share you made me sell last week.
I don't. Well remembered.
No.
Yeah. Do you want? You don't have to tell me what that share is. But do you know if that was a good decision or a bad decision by me?
It was. It could have been a very bad decision, but I ended up buying back into the. I ended up buying back in, so yeah.
You don't cease to surprise me, Tom.
Take that as you will. Yeah. Yeah. I think what we should do is just head straight on into looking.
I've got one more question.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to answer, but do you still have National Grid?
Yeah, I still have National Grid.
Interesting.
Yeah. Do you?
Nope.
Nope, you got rid.
Got rid.
Okay.
So that is very interesting.
Yeah,
very
so that's gonna.
indeed.
Not that we needed anything to make much of a difference between our portfolios as the weeks have been going on, but yeah, for anyone, if you've decided to join this episode instead of seeing all the previous episodes, which if you have done, go back to the start, watch the first episode, come meet us again here in a few hours once you've caught up. But National Grid is there. It's a free share that we both got. We've had it all the way through this challenge, and yeah, it looks like now is the end of the road for that. So that had kind of kept us toe and toe at some points, maybe through this, but
Yeah.
now it's an open playing field with it.
Yeah, just a quick point to anyone watching. If you like me or Tom more than the other one, you can help us out by using our respective affiliate links for Trading 212. And if you do that, you get a free share as well as that person that you choose. So I don't know whose episode this will be, but you head down to the description if you want to help that person out. If you want to help the other person, just click the previous episode, that'll have been there. So yeah, you can get yourself a free share. They're normally worth about £10, I believe, but they can be worth up to £100. So well worth it if you are going to sign up.
Yeah, and the easiest way pretty much to find out whose episode it is just check the thumbnail.
Yeah,
if it's
we blab on at the beginning and end as well. So
yeah, that's it. Is kind of our claim to our own episodes each week. But yeah, is that all from you there?
Yeah, I think we can get into results if you want.
Yeah, I think because there's been 2 weeks on the trot now that I've put mine forward first.
I can't remember.
Is that? I think it could be. I think because I'd won the previous week.
Okay.
I then did it last week to make sure to see if I'd still managed to maintain.
Yeah.
Title.
Okay. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a run through because I've got the figures up in front of me. So first week, it was very close. First week, to be fair, I had £298.94. You had £299.97. Both starting off at 300, so it's very close. Then the next week, I made a very slight gain to £299.54, which gave me a 0.2% return, and you dropped down to £292.75, giving you minus 2.4%.
Yes.
So this week I began on £299.54. My figure now stands at £302.41, which is only an increase of just short of a percentage, but 0.96%. So I've got the percentage change calculator ready, Tom. You're going from 29275. And this is the thing, for those who are new and haven't heeded Tom's advice of going back to episode 1 and have carried on, this is percentage based. So although Tom is much lower than me at the start of the week, almost £7 lower than me, he only has to get a return of better than 1% on his score in order to win this week.
Yes.
So can Tom increase by more than 1%? So 29275 is your starting price. What is your final price? If this begins with 3, I'm throwing my microphone out the
window. I'd definitely be interested to see if you've made it to this point of the video as well, and you haven't seen anything beforehand, and you've just heard that from Matt. What do you think I'm at now? Jump down.
Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, jump down to the comments. Let us know. And see if you're right. And if you are right, then you might be as good as me. If so, find my link, go through there, start your own trading challenge. In fact, you can compete against me if you want.
It's something 3 in it. I know it is. I'm typing it in now. 3, 2, 7, something like that. Come on, what is it?
327 would be nice. There's definitely a 2 and a 7 in there. Unfortunately, that's at the start of it.
Tom, what are you doing?
5.33.
Oh my god, Tom.
Yeah, we had a bit of a mare.
Did you invest in Wirecard again?
Hey, if I'd invested in Wirecard, I'd probably be up by now. That's been fluctuating a bit this week.
So, just 1 second. So, 275.33. That is
ridiculous. It's ridiculous, and I can tell you exactly what it's down to. Some of it is...
1 second, I want to just... It is 5.95%. That is 5% worse than me.
Yeah.
6% worse than me. I don't even know. It's a lot worse than me, Tom.
Yeah, it's worse. It's bad. But if anyone was watching when this was the £200 challenge, I went down to a similar amount at one point, and I believe it came back a fair bit. I can't remember the exact percentage-wise, but I do remember it coming straight back up a bit.
It came back up, but you didn't win the challenge.
Yeah, okay, right. That was a win for the week, though. That's what we're going with.
Like, you know how safe I play this.
Yeah, I know.
And like, the fact that you've dropped so far behind just means I'm going to play it even safer. I mean, people will have been looking at my account from the previous episode if they've seen it and be like, unfortunately, Tom, give up now, because
just give up now. Yeah.
My account is just sealed tight, mate. Sealed tight.
See, it's just one of the things. Like, literally, at certain points this week, like, I think I was up over you at one point. I think I was 3 or 5 maybe at some point. It's just,
I've not been that high yet.
Yeah. See, that's the thing. I've been up there. I've been up there. I had it all and I threw it away quickly.
Just sell.
Yeah.
Just sell stuff.
Just sells. Nah. Sometimes it's just. To be fair, that was pretty drastic. I went out today and it was about 290 maybe. And
Did my screenshots influence you in any way? So I've been sending screenshots of green lines to Tom today to try and provoke a reaction.
Not touched it. I've been out and about. It's not pushing anything. As I say, I went out and then when I came back, it was just decline. Like,
I feel like I'm letting the side down. Like, we've
huge.
branded this the Idiot Trading Challenge, and like you're fully embracing that and losing money hand over fist. Like,
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I bring the idiot and the challenge to it. You just bring the trading.
Love that.
That's just how it is.
As ever, the now renamed Tom Forfeit is this week the fact that you have to list the name of your stocks. I don't get to see them stocks or what's happening with them, but you list the names of them and I can tell you which one to sell. You are not going to include any that have a current sell or buy order on them, not a stop loss or anything like that. You can include them ones if they've got a limit order or whatever, but if you've placed an order already to sell something at the market value or to buy something, please do not include them because it makes it kind of redundant.
Right, do you want these in any particular order?
Alphabetical.
Alphabetical, that sounds good.
How many are there? Because I'm not very good with memory, so...
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 8. Right, I'm listening. Go.
Yeah. BAE Systems,
Right.
Blackstone Minerals, Cineworld Group, EasyJet, IAG, National Grid, NatWest Group, and Next.
So, I know you've got about £9 worth of stock in National Grid. And,
Yes.
well, I'm guessing you haven't invested more. EasyJet, I told you
That's
to
never
sell
crossed my
last
mind,
time.
actually.
What? That you can invest more in it?
That never crossed my mind.
You can now. We've started
Yeah,
a new
I can.
challenge. It doesn't, yeah. So, EasyJet, I've already told you to sell. You're not listening to me. I picked that last time. That was quite a good decision last time. I think that's absolutely capitulated in the last week because of the changes. BAE Systems are a local company. That's how I think you've come across them. I'm assuming they're a relatively good company. They're still trading stuff, but they always seem to have some bad news around the corner. So I'm going to leave them in your portfolio to try and kill you off even more.
Yeah.
Go on, list it. So not National Grid, not EasyJet, not BAE, Cineworld. I just know even if I tell you to sell it, you're going to go buy it again. And as much as I know that will automatically cost you the commission, I just I'm not going to see any benefit from that. So, and I think they'll have done rubbish this week because of what's happened today / last night in terms of the increased lockdown from the UK government. So name me the rest. I'm not having one of them. What are the rest?
Right, so you've got Blackstone Minerals, IAG, NatWest Group, and Next.
Right, banks have had a shocker this week, so NatWest, you can keep them. Next. Not sure about Next. IAG, I believe they're like a financial company. Blackstone Mineral, not even got a Scooby's who they are. So I'm gonna go with let's go with I keep changing my mind. I think the one. Let's go with Blackstone Mineral. I have no idea who they are or what they do, so this is the idiot trading challenge. I'm going to take my idiot move here and sell Blackstone Mineral.
And there we go. I will pull that through and I will sell Blackstone Mineral. There we go. Market's currently closed, so as soon as that opens, yeah, that'll go through. Yeah. That was fun. I didn't think he was gonna accept that one. I didn't think you were gonna take that one, to be fair.
Sorry, it broke up a bit there. This is the Thunderstorm.
It broke up again.
Taking
Thunderstorm
effect on this recording.
Yes.
So I'm gonna keep talking until you come back. There you are. So that was the Thunderstorm taking a huge impact on us.
Of course.
You might be able to edit that because I spoke most of the way through that, but that bit might get cut for anyone watching this. But yeah, so you're now selling Blackstone Mineral. That was the last I heard from you before the little cutout.
Yeah. All
initial reaction? Happy?
Honestly, when you narrowed it down between them and Next, I was kind of give or take with either of them.
Okay. So
yeah, I'll take that one.
I'm just gonna have a look at them now. Let's have a look. Blackstone. My internet won't work because of the.
Of course it won't.
Blackstone Group or
Blackstone Minerals.
Can't even find them. You found a stock that doesn't exist. Got them. There we go. Okay, so this month up 8.15%. This week up 7.33%. Today down 1.68%. Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. US stock. Right.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very interesting. So
yeah. What I always like about this is now I've got that climb, but hopefully that puts me in now a good position for next week, because if I can get that increase, if it's more than your 1% of what you're sticking at, that then means I get to, correct me if I'm wrong here, but the forfeit is I get to see and sell.
Yeah, so we're back to it's the last week of the challenge. So we'll be going into last week of the challenge. So I will screenshot my account, send it over, and then you will make a decision based on that. So, but Tom, for that to happen, you'd have to make a profit.
Yeah, I know, there is that small little bit there, but we can work on that, we'll work on that. Hopefully during the week maybe someone's going to pop in with that extra share.
The thing is, it's crazy because, if you think about it, I think we started off at 209 with the free share, I went to 211, then down to 209, then up to 215. Then we both reset at 300, went down to 298, up to 299, up to 302. I haven't had anything huge happen to my account. And then there's you with minus 20%, up 10%, down 5%.
There's definitely been some fluctuations. If anyone's been watching along and wants to calculate that for us for how far my account has bounced around, I'd love to see that.
It's definitely entertaining. This would not be a YouTube channel without you, Tom. So thank you for that.
I'm definitely bringing it. And one thing as well, just before we round this off, for anyone listening, as we have spoken slightly about this before, about the channel moving over kind of to more of just a challenge channel in general, I'm still going to be very, very happy to carry on doing these trading challenges because it's been a whole load of fun. But I'll just pose this question to you. Don't have to answer. In fact, don't answer it. We'll speak about it afterwards so people can stay tuned if they want to see this. But I was having a bit of a laugh at a potential, and this is a throwback to school, a potential Wikipedia race going from one word to another, see who can get there the fastest. Just quick 5 or 10 minute video, few words, run through it, see what we can do.
Idiots are trading.
Yeah, there's just a big picture of me there.
Yeah, Tom, don't be so harsh on yourself.
But yeah, if you guys would like to see something like that, leave it down in the comments. In a week or two, there is going to be another video kind of coming out just explaining what is going to be happening everywhere, really, what's going to be happening with the channel. If you guys are kind of not liking that, you're wanting to see more of the trading stuff, let us know. We can 100% incorporate that alongside with everything else.
Yeah, we're exploring loads of ideas, aren't we? Like, we want to maybe keep this in the background and do regular updates, or more business challenges, a few maybe random challenges, you know, like whatever it is, let us know, because we just want to keep producing content and kind of make this a bit bigger than just me and you sitting down on a Sunday and trading a few stocks. We want to try a few different things out, don't we? So yeah, definitely.
100%. So yeah, if you were enjoying it, let us know. But that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching another episode of the Idiot Trading Challenge. If you've enjoyed this, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you could share it with a friend, that'd be absolutely amazing. If you want to help me out in this challenge, you can sign up to Trading 212 platform via the link in our description. If you do that, we'll both receive a share free of charge worth up to £100. Obviously, make sure to check out the T's and C's before you do that. But until next time, thanks for watching.